If you're looking for more nail art inspiration on short nails with chrome powders, you're in the right place, and today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful and subtle nail art with gold chrome powder. So first I'm going to apply my base coat to protect my natural nails, and then I'm going to apply a very neutral base. This is a milky white, and it's going to give us the illusion that the nail is a little bit longer. And here's a tip: if you want to avoid flooding your cuticle with the polish, you can start in the lower part of your nail first, and then you can apply the full brush on the upper part and the nail completely. Then I will apply a quick dry top coat to even out the surface, and then a matte top coat that will remove the stickiness so we can work with powders. Now, to save time on cleanup, I'm just gonna apply liquid latex around my fingers and let it dry for a minute before stamping. Now for the stamping, I'm choosing this big image, and I'm just gonna pick little parts of it for my nails, and this other one will be for my thumb. I'm using the sticky stamping polish and a gold chrome powder. Even if we're working with sticky stamping polish, we need to work very fast because these lines are very fine, so they will dry faster than others. Now, why this design works? So first of all, we have the very fine lines, which is very important if we want to make our nails look a little bit more delicate and less chunky. The second thing is the negative space. So we're leaving a lot of space for the color underneath to show, and that's gonna give us the impression that the nail is actually longer and it's bigger than it actually is. The alignment of the design is also important. So here we're using the same image but in different angles, so they're all part of one big image as you saw on the play, but we're placing it differently, so you can see that there's a flow and there's something continuous. So basically they're all part of the same, but they're not actually identical, so that's also gonna help. And there's also the very soft contrast. So you see here that we're picking a milky white as a background and a gold on top of it, so the contrast is gonna be very soft, and it's gonna make also our nails look a little bit longer, and it's more delicate, more elegant than a hard white or black. So this is the final result. I really love it. I think it turned out beautiful, very elegant, very delicate, and also with very simple materials. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.